Hey everybody, Dave Kincaid here. Hope your Monday is off to a great start. I'm going to start shooting quick videos just to give you some tips to help you be more successful in grants. In this newsletter, you can see it's packed with a bunch of grants, and I've taken a bunch of them. I'm going to show you the importance of being prepared in grants and all the different phases that if you're not used to them, it's just interesting. So watch this. The key lesson here is the importance of being prepared in advance, being prepared when you're going to get a hiring grant or you're going to apply for a large grant. You've got to get in advance. So let's have a look. Okay, so I'm inside the newsletter. Just a couple of quick notes. I've made a couple of changes. One here is there's a COVID section that'll just be easier. I actually got the idea from the Chamber. So thank you, Chamber, for your email. I thought that was a smart move. And I've taken a couple of here and watch this. I've just made them in order. So this is the Alberta Jobs Now grant. It says here, stay tuned right here. It'll be launching in the coming weeks. Here it's saying you can apply. Whenever you see that, just reach out to them for clarification, okay? So you're getting ready. You should be getting your job descriptions, be thinking that through. Then this one, again, here's another one that says, hey, stay tuned, it's coming out. Then you get to the phase of they announce it, like this is the 10 million one the province of Alberta announced this week. And then you can join the wait list. And then here they open up. It says, hey, look, we're now open. And then the next one you see, I wanted to show you this one because they extend it. And you'll even get into intakes as well. So there's various intakes. That's another one. Like, look at this one here. This one's intake 3. So they have various ones. So again, you want to be in advance. Oh, intake 1, intake 2. You got to be ready. And then, of course, then you'll see some get filled. And here's another one. Looks like it's half reached or a little over half. So you can reach out to that. So that was just a quick video. I'm going to try to keep these really short, but I just thought it's just a kind of an interesting insight. That's just from one newsletter this week of all the various phases and the common messages. If you really got to get their way in advance, right? Like if you're thinking about hiring someone in the coming months, you got to get that job description ready and find the grant and keep tracking them. That's why I give you this newsletter so that when it opens, you can strike. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. I'm going to keep these coming. If you like these, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.